This solution by Thorogood Associates uses Power BI and R to understand the profitability of trade relationships between a manufacturer and its retailers. We start on this overview page with 4 key metrics across the top and alerts generated from recent changes in sales. For example, despite a significant increase in marketing, Maria Corman is actually selling slightly less. I can flip the cards over for more detail. As you can see, it affects a large number of products but is relatively small in market share, and if you want to dig further into the issue, you can follow this link to another report in greater detail. Our second dashboard provides an executive view of profitability from a number of different perspectives. It combines both internal and external data, so we can see both the profit made by ourselves as well as retailer margin. I can also see my top retailers. I've got a view of my brands looking at both my profit and the retailer margin. And I've got a waterfall chart showing the breakdown of my P&L. We can start to interact with the dashboard through some of the predefined filters. So if I want to look at different channels, I can select e-commerce to just see e-commerce data, or convenience to just see convenience stores data. I can also choose to focus on a particular customer, such as Prince's Cooperative. And I can see which of my brands they're selling over here. Additionally, I can focus on a particular brand, say Storm, and I can see the contribution of that brand to each of my retailers' sales. This page leverages the R integration to Power BI to show a correlation plot between the different types of trade spend and the impact it's having on volume and profit growth. This allows the user to find which types of trade spend are most effective in which channels. For example, in e-commerce, you can see a strong negative relationship between turnover and business building promotions. However, that negative correlation actually falls away whenever you change to just hypermarket data. The retailer margin dashboard focuses on engaging with a particular customer and working with them to identify any threats or any win-win opportunities for both us as well as the retailer. It's similar in nature to the profitability dashboard, but here we're focusing on a particular customer rather than a channel. So I'm going to focus in on Inco. As you can see, Inco had a 19 million decrease in profit compared to last year, and the waterfall chart quickly reveals the majority of loss is in the bath and shower sector. And to dig deeper into that, you can see that earth tones is the main contributor in that reduction. This page shows the potential opportunity for increased sales using an advanced analytics technique called collaborative filtering. The grey portion of the bar shows the current sales value, and the green portion shows the potential opportunity based on the results of the analytics that were calculated using the Azure machine learning tool. The penultimate page shows key influencers. This visualization runs a decision tree to find interesting subgroups with performance differences. For example, if I choose high growth, the visualization returns attributes that are more likely to return higher growth, such as size, class, is bulk. I can do the same for other types of growth, say negative growth, and I can choose certain areas of the business to be analysed, such as the hair wash category, and the analysis will be run on just that data. Finally, this page forecasts the future sales value for my selected customers. It also displays the corresponding confidence levels. You can select a particular brand family or category, say deodorant spray, and you can see that the forecast is refreshed based on just that data. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to get in touch.